stand up for the opening prayer all together. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good morning, class. So how are you today? Oh, that's great. Okay, please remain standing for our energizer today. So may I call Justin to lead? Okay, so please sit down, everybody. So now, before we will proceed to our discussion today, so I will be checking the attendance first. Okay. Okay, no one's absent. Very good. Okay, are you familiar with the game 4 Pigs 1 Word? Wow, that's great. So, the instruction is 4 pictures are linked by 1 word. Complete the word puzzle by guessing what the 4 pictures suggest. Okay, this is the picture. So now I will give you 30 seconds for the answer. Okay, are you done, everybody? Okay, so what is your answer? Okay, the answer is... What is the answer again? So the answer is computer hardware. So now, I will ask you first, what is our topic last time? Okay, anyone? Yes, very good. Our topic last time is about computer software. So now, our topic this morning is all about computer hardware. Okay, so what is computer hardware? So computer hardware is a touchable, electronic, and mechanical parts of a computer are called the hardware, which is composed of different devices attached to the computer. So this computer hardware is a touchable, electronic, and mechanical parts of the computer. So of the computer that are called that is called hardware, which is composed different shape that attached to the computer. So computer hardware includes the physical parts of a computer such as the case, serial processing unit, random access memory, monitor, mouse, keyboard, computer data storage, graphics card, sound card, speaker, and motherboard. So this computer hardware includes the physical parts of the computer, which is the case, central processing unit, random access memory, and etc. So also this the software is the set of the instructions that can be stored and run by the hardware. Okay, so the hardware device can be classified into 4 distinct categories. So first is input device for raw data input. So kinesha is this input device is the data is not processing. The second is processing device to process raw data instruction into information. So kini siya gi-process siya sa raw data sa instruction into the information. And also output device to disseminate data and information. And lastly is the storage devices for data information and retention. Okay. So now let's go to the parts of the computer hardware. So again, so may I ask first, what is an example of the computer hardware? Anyone? Okay, do not raise in chorus. Yes, Mark? Yes, very good. One of the example of the computer hardware is the motherboard. Okay, what else? Yes, keyboard. So now, let's talk first about the motherboard. So what is motherboard? So motherboard is the important component of the computer, as everything else is connected to it, and it controls everything in the system. So motherboard are available in several different shapes. So mo ni siya ang motherboard niya. So this motherboard is important component sa computer, kay ang tanan nga kuan ani is connected siya sa computer. So and also iyahang gi-control ang tanan ani. Kay kung wala ni siya, the computer will not be kanang dili siya mugana ang computer if wala ang motherboard. The next is mouse. So what is mouse? Anyone? Based on your thought or based on your idea, what is mouse? Okay, very good. So mouse is handled hardware input device that control a cursor in a GUI or graphical user interface for pointing, moving, and selecting text, icons, files, and folders on your computer. So this mouse is nag-handle siya sa hardware device input that controls cursor in a graphical user interface like pointing, moving, also the selecting text and files, also the folder of your computer. Kaya kung wala ang mouse, dili ka maka-point sa kung asa nimo kunan ang imong folder. So addition to this function sa mouse is also be used to drag and drop object and give you access to the right click menu. Okay, now, so the next is the keyboard. Okay, what is keyboard? So keyboard is one of the primary input device used with a computer. So similar to an electric typewriter, a keyboard is composed of button keys to create letters, numbers, and symbols and perform additional functions. So this keyboard is one of the primary input device that use a computer. So similar ni is a electric typewriter. Also the keyboard is is composed of the button used to create letters, numbers, and symbols and perform additional function ni. So muni ang this is one that we use to type to type and to create numbers and symbols, and also the additional function ni. So the following section provides more in-depth information and answer to some of the frequently asked questions about the keyboard. So next is the monitor. So what is monitor? Okay, anyone? Yes, Ashley? Okay, thank you. So a monitor is an electric visual computer display. Muna siya ang iyang picture. So without monitor, dili ta makakuan sa kuan niini. So this is a computer display that includes a screen, circuitry, and the case which the circuitry is enclosed. So older computer monitor made use to calibrate tube or the CRT, which made them large, heavy, and efficient. Okay, so mani siya ang monitor. Kaya kung wala na yung monitor, dili ta makakita sa tuang gitay. Okay. So next is the speaker. Okay. Speaker is an output hardware device that connect to a computer to generate sound. So kini nga speaker is man siya ang this is the an output device nga naka-connect siya sa computer. So nakabantay mo labi na sa computer. Labi na sa computer nga sa computeran no na ang sa kuan nila is sa PC is you have a speaker. Kay if you want kanang ganahan mo nga magpaminag music, so makakuan na sa speaker. Okay, so now before we end our discussion this morning, so I will give you the task. So please get 1/4 of sheet of paper and answer this. Okay, so this is our task today. So the instruction is complete the table below by completing the data of each computer hardware. Okay, I will give you 1 minute. 1 minute, okay? Okay, very good. So please pass your paper now. So, okay, for the assignment is research more about computer hardware and its function. Okay, so that's all our discussion this morning. Say goodbye, class. Okay, goodbye.